So I just want to invite you to get into a comfortable position. We're just going to do this for a few minutes. And if you'd like to close your eyes, you can. And of course, if not, you can keep them open. But when you hear the sound of the bell, let's just start by bringing our awareness to our breath and waiting for more instructions. Breathing in and breathing out. And I want to invite you to send compassion to those you work with, to your colleagues, to yourself. You may utter the phrases silently. May you be peaceful, happy, and healthy. May you be safe and free from suffering. Or you might send that energy to the people you work with, to your colleagues, to yourself in any way that makes sense to you. Could be vibrationally, energetically, could be through prayer, whatever works for you. May you be peaceful, happy, and healthy. May you be safe and free from suffering. All the while breathing in and breathing out. And then if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them, expanding your awareness outside of the formal exercise.